Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Don't mind the squealing. Haven't figured out why the belt's squealing. It's a brand new belt, brand new harmonic balancer, and it started squealing again. So not sure what's going on there, but just ignore that. Anyways, in this video I'm going to be talking about why I took my wheel spacers off. As you can see, these wheels are really tucked in, like extremely tucked in. It's mainly just because of the fender flares, which these came from the factory, but that's why they look so tucked in. The front's not too bad. It's mainly the rear that I hate. But the main reason I took them off is because it's always in the back of my head, like what if one of these breaks when I'm going down the freeway, which that would be pretty catastrophic, especially if it was one of the front ones. Rear one, I could still possibly have control over the vehicle, but the front ones, I'm screwed on that one. So that's really like one reason I took them off. Mainly the only reason I took them off, because I absolutely love the way it looked. It looked perfect. But I'm glad I did take them off because I didn't realize how bad this truck drove with those wheel spacers on there. Going down the road after about 55 miles per hour, I'd get a shake, sometimes from the front end, sometimes from the rear end. The truck would shake side to side really bad. The steering wheel would shake if it's the front doing it. If it was the back doing it, the steering wheel would be fine, but the back end is just constantly shaking. Also, it did like to wander the road a lot, which I thought was an alignment issue because I've lifted this truck in the front and I've never aligned it. I mean, I did at-home alignment with toe plates and tape measures, which is pretty dang close, but it doesn't do that anymore. It goes straight as an arrow. So no more shaking, no more wandering the road. Only sacrifice is that it doesn't look as aggressive. It just looks like a stock truck, which I'm not a huge fan of. And since it looks like a stock truck now, I decided might as well get the wheels and tires I want. So I do have wheels and tires on order that should be here in the next couple weeks. So look out for a video. I'm not sure if I want to hang on to these or sell them. I'm probably going to sell them because these tires are so bad in the rain. Absolutely terrible. These are Hankook Dyno Pro all-terrains, and the ones I got coming are Falcon Wild Peak AT3Ws. I'm going to have bigger wheels, bigger tires. I'm not going to spoil what wheels I got yet, what size I went with, but just know they're going to be bigger. So these are the wheel spacers that I took off right here. We did 1.5 inches in the front, 2 inches in the rear. These studs don't look the greatest, so I'm probably not going to sell these. I'm probably going to end up tossing them because I don't want these failing on anybody else. Here's some more angles of what the tires look like now. I did take some before and after pictures. If they're video worthy, I will throw them up on the screen right here. So this is basically me saying, I really don't recommend running spacers. It drives so crappy with them on. I'm so glad I took them off. Like I said, at the sacrifice, the aggressive look, it's a lot narrower, but we'll be fixing that soon, hint, hint. Anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you did enjoy. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. Tell me what you guys think about running spacers, if you guys run them, if you recommend running them, if you don't recommend running them. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And look out for a video coming here in the next couple weeks of the brand new setup.